And now let's see page number 17. So muscles whose actions are under our control are called voluntary muscles. That is true. Cardiac muscles are present in the heart. That is also true. Sitting and standing straight represents good posture. That is true. Strong fibers of bones are called tendons. That is false. So what are tendons? Tendons are the muscles which are attached to bones, and strong tissues that bind bones are at a joint are ligaments. So there will be ligaments. So if it is written here that strong fibers of muscles attached to the bones called tendons, then it would be true. It is not the fibers of bones, it is actually the fibers of muscles. So it will be false here. Wrist has a pivot joint. Okay, so that is also false. If you will see here, wrist has a gliding joint. Now let's see the question round, page number 18. See, tick the correct options. This is made up of 22 bones. So skull is made up of 22 bones. So B number will be correct. See, the two bones present in the lower legs. So that will be tibia and fibula. The lowest pairs in the rib cage is called the floating ribs. This joint allows the movement in all directions. That will be ball and socket joint. These kinds of muscles are under our control. That will be voluntary muscles. Now see the fill in the blanks. The skeletal system is made up of 206 bones. There are, so here will be bones. There are 206 bones in an adult. The rib cage protects the two organs, that is the heart and the lungs. So heart and the lungs will be there. Muscles of the stomach are examples of involuntary muscles. They don't work under our own will. So the place where two or more bones meet will be a joint. So this will be the answers. Now let's see this one. What do you understand by the term skeleton? Here you have to define skeleton. So skeleton is a framework of bones. Name the bones of the arms and the legs. So how many bones are there? So you need to see the diagrams here. See, here it is given the leg and the arms here, the limbs. Okay, from here you have to see and write. Then what is a tendon? How is it different from a ligament? So you have to write the definition of a tendon and the definition of the ligament. So that will be there. Ligament binds the bone at a joint, and muscles are attached, strong fibers of muscles which are attached to bones for smooth movement are called tendons. Then name the three types of muscles and their functions. So three types of muscles are voluntary, involuntary and cardiac functions. So you have to write that and write their functions. One only. What are the kinds of muscles found in heart? So cardiac muscles are found in heart. Then come to the questions in detail. What are the main functions of our skeletal system? So you need to write protection, giving shape, like that. In the last video we have discussed. Then differentiate between a pivot joint and a hinge joint. Here you have to define the pivot joint and the hinge joint and where it is present. So there will be two differences. For voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles, same thing you have to do. Then how muscles work? So you have to write the functioning of the muscles. Okay. Or here, from here, the working of the muscles. Then draw a well-labeled diagram of a pectoral girdle with forelimb and involuntary muscles. So there I have shown you the diagrams of the limbs. There you have to write and draw the diagrams. So write the labelings correctly and draw the diagrams neatly of both forelimb and hind limb. Then involuntary muscles also are given, so that you will draw neatly. Explain any two types of joints in our body. No need to do this one as we have already done the pivot joint and the hinge joint. Okay, so in place of this, what you will do, 2 we have written here, so you will write the other 2, the remaining 2, in the difference between only. Okay, so ball and socket joint and the gliding joint, you will write the definition separately. Then, why can't we control our heartbeats? So, because the cardiac muscle is an involuntary muscle, so we cannot control our heartbeats. That you need to write. Then this one across page number 21, you need to solve yourself as a homework, and you need to write that in copy as one word answers. Okay, so you will write the options and put a dash and write the answers. The next video which we will start will be lesson number 3 according to the year plan, food and health.